I've always been interested in computers. I started out interested in computers when I was in secondary school. Kind of always knew that the world was heading that way. Everything was going to be focused around computers and networking and that type of technology. I started out. I picked up GCSE IT double award in my secondary school in St Eugene in Rosslea, and then after I finished all my GCSEs, when I was picking what to do next, I visited the Southwest College for an open day, and I decided after going through multiple lectures of what course to do, I finally realised I was going to specialise in IT, which was just straight into three. At the end of the day, it was going to be 3 levels of IT, 3 levels of A level qualification in IT. I found when I was doing that course, it was very great. It was all the lecturers were brilliant, supporting me on the way. The range of subjects as we did was unreal. We did programming, networking, we did project management, systems analysis, computer mathematics, databases like SQL and Microsoft Access. We also did the lighter stuff. We did the less techy stuff like project management as well as marketing. We dabbled in some website development, and then after that, I decided to, instead of going on, I decided to stay on at Southwest College and do my foundation degree in computing. So I did that for 2 years. I was able to improve my qualification, get more qualified. The lecturers during that foundation degree was very supportive. They helped you along the way. If you had any questions, they were great. Communicating it out to you, and if you had any problems, they were able to speak up and help you out. I thought the foundation degree is very beneficial. You didn't have to go to uni straight away. You could still stay at home for another 2 years before you decide if that's what you wanted to do, go off to uni. And then after my foundation degree, I got a job at Stormont for a company called AMI. We were based in Mulluss, but we worked out in Stormont Estate. Doing data, we did the troubleshooting and data transfers for Stormont for civil servants, and I worked that during mid-COVID, and so we still went into the office every day to do this for the civil servants. And after so many months there, I eventually got my first job with BT as a first line network engineer, where we would troubleshoot BT's customers, business to business customers, on their networking equipment, so their firewalls, their network kit, their telephone systems, access to certain applications they had. I spent around 2 years there, and then a year after those 2 years, I got promoted to a problem manager for the secure government contracts for BT, where I have drive root cause for any major incidents that occur within those customers' space, and I help make sure that they don't happen again by working and coordinating with technical teams, as well as the customer service managers, to put in plans and improvement actions to make sure they don't happen again. And as well, I do trend analysis, so I take data over a period of months and try to find any patterns. This includes certain devices going down, repeat issues, anomalies, stuff like that. And I've been doing that now for the past 2 years as well. And as well, through where I've been, they allow me to further my education there as well by doing other qualifications like ITIL, as well as you can go on to do other qualifications like Cisco Academy or Prince or stuff like that. And then when I was also at Southwest College, it wasn't just I did the BTEC and my foundation degree. There was the option to do other certificates like my AutoCAD Level 2. I got that in Southwest College, as well as doing this other Cisco course, those like technician work. But all in all, Southwest College was great. Very supportive from the lecturers. They put you in the right path. They host events. They bring people in from other work experience. From other working fields to show you. This is where you can go with IT within Southwest College, and it has helped me along the way, and that's where I am now.